ironmongery in our period collection has been designed to reflect Britain's great architectural heritage. The products have been refined to the highest specifications and have a timeless elegance. The 7 finishes in the period collection are rosewood, polished chrome, polished nickel, polished brass, aged bronze, ebony and aged brass. Our aged brass and solid bronze items can be highly polished or left to tarnish with age and are perfect for use in a Victorian or Georgian townhouse. Our chrome and nickel ironmongery sits well in a contemporary setting. Its high shine finish complements modern interiors, adding a touch of sophistication. To see more of the period collection, visit www.fromtheanvil.co.uk.